be a long day.
We do it for the content.
We do.
Always.
So we left Ponce on the way back to the airport, and we actually had to stop by here, Reyna and I. One pound? Oh, you go half a pound?
You want to do half pound?
Reyna and I. Can you guys see that with the glare? Woo! Oh yeah. Gracias. Wow. So 1 pound. We're getting 1 pound right here. Let's see if just chopping it up. Let's see if I can get it from over here.
Alright, we are at the airport. We're saying goodbye to Puerto Rico.
Bye. There's some great winds at the casino.
We've had a great time and we're able to visit so many casinos.
A lot.
Tried them out.
Tried.
We tried
We
them
tested
out.
the machines.
I think what I appreciate most about this trip is that I found that there are older machines that I could do max bet on.
Yeah.
And it's only like, what is
$2.
my bet? $2.
$2 max bet.
This is like right up my comfort zone. $2 max bet. Hey, you can't ever say that I don't do max bet.
We do max bet on accident sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah, this side was pretty good, huh? Folks, I have alcohol that I bought during the cruise and now we're flying back. So I bought it when I already had a few shots and I wasn't thinking about how am I gonna get this home. So you can't go through TSA with this because it's liquid. So you gotta put it through, what do you call it? You gotta put it through luggage. And so you don't want to just put it in like that because it'll break. Now I gotta go find somewhere where they could wrap it really well so that I could put it through luggage. Let's do this. Get it wrapped. Woo-hoo-hoo. Finally got it wrapped for 20 bucks. The guy wrapped each bottle and he wrapped the bag. Dun dun! Let's go! I am through TSA. Johnny Walker, Chivas, American Whiskey, Jack Daniels. Yeah, I took a wrong turn. Still in Puerto Rico. I walk all the way to the gate. Gate is B11 for Delta. All the way to the back of the Terminal B. Usually there's a restroom nearby at your gate, but there isn't any. Now I'm walking all the way because the first set of restrooms have a freaking long line and our flight is starting to board. Oh, good luck to me. Did I make it to the last call? Made it. Okay.
Zona número 7.
Did I make it?
1950, all services announced.
Did, you sure did. It's gonna be a long day.
It's gonna be a long day.
The time is, California time is
Of flight 1950,
9 o'clock,
we're still
8:30.
offering the opportunity to check in your
We're leaving
airbags
Puerto
fully
Rico.
complimentary to your final destination.
And we're
We will
staying
not
at
expedite the boarding process and be able to have a nighttime
We're driving all
departure.
the way to Reno.
If you're interested in
driving to
checking
Reno,
out
staying in
pre-flight
Grand
now,
Sierra tonight.
you can see
Will we make it?
B11.
Yes.
It's gonna be a long day.
It's gonna be a long day.
Very long.
Seguimos ofreciendo.
Nobody cares until you're rich, pretty, or dead. I'll be none of those.
So what time did we wake up today?
California time, 3:30 a.m. And I'm driving.
You better sleep when we are on our second flight.
gonna sleep now. I'm tired. Put some
Okay.
earplugs in. Put my hoodie on. I'm dressed in all black. 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 Boarding next flight 4:17.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, it's close. Then off to San Jose, then to Hayward, then to Reno.
It's gonna be a long day.
We do it for the content. We're in Atlanta and we're about to board our other flight right now. We're about to board our other flight right now. Atlanta. Better keep that thing on. It's gonna be hard to take off and put back on. Boarding time 4:17. So at this time, there's snow and rain, snow on the road going to Reno. Change required. Telling people to turn around. Hopefully tonight it'll be clear.
Yeah.
The shows. As you can see, they're boarding. I'm last in line. Reyna went to go find chocolate. Hopefully we can make it. She's still not here. Gate's about to close. I'm waiting. She made it.
I got it. I'm here.
Alright, here we go.
It's been a long time.
You made it. Thank you for joining us. Oh, they made it too. Thank you for joining us. 7 p.m. I don't know if we can make it to Reno. What time is it?
It's time to get coffee.
6 in the morning the next day. We couldn't go because the roads were closed, so now we're going on an overnight trip, 4-hour drive, 4 to 5 hour drive, because the road's about to open. But first, Starbucks. We're crazy.
Bye.
A day trip. Oh, an overnight trip. Cheese Danish. It's 8 o'clock, 8:35.
8:35. My other job.
I don't see snow yet.
Crossing fingers. We only see it on the side.
Yeah. The
Not
sun's
the
out.
road.
The sun's out.
Sun is out.
I'm excited.
102 miles to go.
I'm excited to see snow. I'm excited to play slot machines in Nevada again.
Well, this is our last leg of this trip. Of our month-long trip.
Month long. Yes.
A month-long trip. So, I think it's pretty cool. Because we started out in Carnival. And Carnival just slew us.
What's a slew?
Like 3 grand down in 4 days. 4 days. A 4-day cruise. And we're like, shoot. 3 grand. Then we went to other places and
After the 4th day, they took my shackles off of my arms to my ankles.
Since then, we were very, what is the term? Like, very cautious in playing. Because of Carnival, our first trip was, we got rinsed.
Yeah.
But now it's our last leg of the trip. And for Royal as well as for Puerto Rico, we didn't get rinsed that bad. Like, we were up and down. And we played for 14 days, not losing as much as we did with Carnival. So what does that mean? We got like some money to play.
Yeah, we have some money to play. Maybe we should bid higher than 250.
It's the last trip of the year, so maybe we should.
Yeah.
Because we were very, very frugal those days so that we could make it last. And we did make it last. So
Let's see if she
maybe
can.
we should get lucky this time.
Let's see if she can. I know I can. It's just like whenever she plays,
I get anxious.
she'll bet like spin 3 times. Like, we're not getting anything back. Let's go down. We'll see. Might not do a live stream. We're not moving. Oh my goodness, let's see how.
Let's see how we do.
Oh, the 11 o'clock night, kids. Casino. We went from warm, hot, humid, 80 degrees high to 36, 35 degrees snowy.
Yes.
Oh man, what a life. Time is 12:21.
Wow.
The longest drive to Reno I've taken in decades. Woo! Ta-da! Grand Sierra. Seems like we were just here last month. And it is 12:30. Longest drive here ever. It's gonna be worth it. Other side. Here's the room.
How come I can't see your eyes?
We're contemplating on what to eat at Grand Sierra. We go to that one restaurant down there. Check it out. We're trying to figure out and time our eating schedule before our live stream at 7.
Is it time for it? Is it almost time for live stream? It's 1 o'clock, so we have like 6 hours.
Yes.
How about the roll?
Go eat at the row?
Well,
Okay.
What are we doing after we eat? Are we just gonna...
Play?
So where do we want to play?
Could go to the row, I guess. We could do the row strip first.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Just remember they also have that one. But I do like, if we're gonna go to Vietnamese, I'd like the golden flower.
Okay, let's do that.
If we're looking for Vietnamese food. I feel so great without a coat right now. I'm pretty sure as soon as we get to the edge, I'm gonna be so cold.
It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold.
Yeah.
We decided to go to Golden Flower because it's been over 3 weeks that I haven't had fish sauce. Went on the cruise, 2 cruises, Puerto Rico. Now got back and just going straight over to Reno. Time for some golden flower.
Yes.
Yes. So look how dirty that is. Can't even see anything. But we have made it. This is a tradition. It might seem repetitive for everybody, but golden flower, we gotta go here to eat. Yes, we do. She gets to check in the pepper mill today.
Yep. And we're checked in.
Oh,
I just had
nice.
to click a button.
Nice. Pepper mill is stepping up their game. Hopefully their security system doesn't get me on the wrong AI security. Never mind. I don't know if you guys heard about their security system. Somebody got wrongfully arrested because their AI system was messed up.
Thought they were somebody else.
Yeah. If you eat pho, you must do this. You got your sriracha, hoisin sauce, fish sauce, pepper, and you mix it up and you dip. You dip your meats.
So none of
Nice.
the cruises we've taken has pho,
No,
right?
no. Thank you. Especially squeezed lemonade. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Can I get
Thank
a
you.
small bowl
Got pho.
to ask her? Here.
I don't know. He probably did. Yeah, he did. Here he comes. Look at that. Vermicelli, pho, and here comes your small bowl
Yes.
for soup.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here you go. Want some soup? I got your spoon over there. There's your hot tea. All right. I can't wait to eat this. It's been many, many weeks since I had Vietnamese food. Guess where we're at? Reno, and there's El Dorado. That's our first stop because we're gonna go see which one of the 3 casinos at the row, Circus, Silver Legacy, or El Dorado, is going to pay out the best.
We'll see.
We have $1,500, $500 per casino like we usually do. We're gonna do $200 into one machine, higher bets, and then $3 $100 in other machines, and she's probably gonna hop around like usual. That's how it works. 25% win, cash out, or bonus.
Yes.
Let's see which one is chicken ass tight.
Or is golden egg loose?
Bakak.